Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to turn off Windows 11 updates to give you control over when and how your system updates. Let's begin. First, press the Windows key and I together to open Settings. Navigate to the Windows Update section on the left-hand menu. Once you're in the Windows Update section, you'll see several options. Look for Pause Updates and click on it. Windows allows you to pause updates for up to 5 weeks. This is a temporary solution to stop updates from automatically downloading and installing. For a more permanent solution, we'll need to access the Group Policy Editor. This option is typically available in Windows 11 Pro and Enterprise versions. Press Windows key and R together, type gpedit.msce and hit Enter to open the Group Policy Editor. Navigate through Computer Configuration, click Administrative Templates, then here Windows Components, and now Windows Update. Look for Manage End User Experience. Find the Configure Automatic Updates setting, double-click it, and set it to Disabled. Click Apply and OK. This prevents Windows from automatically downloading updates. If you're using Windows 11 Home, you won't have access to the Group Policy Editor. Instead, you can adjust your Wi-Fi settings to a metered connection, which can limit data usage and, as a result, prevent Windows from automatically downloading large updates. Go to Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Then go to Wi-Fi. Click your Wi-Fi network, then turn on Set as Metered Connection. Remember, turning off updates can leave your system vulnerable to security risks and without the latest features. Consider manually checking for and installing updates regularly. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.